In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze material costs in CostMiner. Understanding and analyzing your material costs is crucial for maintaining your budget and ensuring profitability in construction projects. So let's dive right into the process using CostMiner's intuitive platform. First, the journey begins by accessing CostMiner, your tool for construction estimating and takeoff. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to their website. Once you're there, look for the Login option, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Login to CostMiner to proceed. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Enter your details and hit the Login button. This will take you to your user dashboard where you can begin managing your projects. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a list of your available projects. From here, you need to select the specific project you're focused on today. Clicking on your project will open up all the relevant details pertaining to that particular job. Now, if you're already done with the takeoff process, you're ready to proceed to the reporting phase. The takeoff process is vital as it allows you to quantify the materials needed for your project effectively, so make sure this step is thoroughly completed before generating reports. Now let's move on to generating your material cost report. In the project view, look for and click on the Reports option. This feature is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of the costs associated with your project, breaking everything down into detailed categories. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll need to select Rate Breakdown. This action will generate a detailed report outlining the costs per item, which is essential for a precise cost analysis. After viewing your detailed costing breakdown, the next step is exporting this data, which is invaluable for further analysis and documentation. Find the Export button on the page and click on it. When prompted, choose the desired output format that suits your needs, whether that's a PDF for straightforward printouts or a CSV file for more detailed spreadsheet analyses. Once you have exported the report, you can use it to perform a comprehensive cost analysis. This involves subtracting the total project costs from your anticipated benefits or income. This calculation will help you predict the potential profit margin, offering insights into the feasibility and financial viability of the project. Having this data handy enables better decision-making and project adjustments to ensure you stay within budget and achieve the desired profit. And there you have it.